teacher told me to write about how to get freedom to lead a healthy lifestyle. So let's start. Come. Wait a minute. I was thinking for so many days that what should I write, but I didn't get any idea. So let me think again. Thinking, what should I? Okay, I'm not getting any kind of idea. So let's ask Didi and let's see what is she doing. Come.
Yes, Diya, what happened?
Didi, my teacher told me to write about how to get freedom to lead a healthy lifestyle. So I want some tips and ideas to write about it. So can you help?
Yes. Come here. I will tell some tips and ideas. Sit. Diya, this is your first step. You need to drink lots of water to keep yourself healthy and fit. Diya, you need to eat fruits also to keep yourself healthy and stay fit and always be strong. Diya, to keep yourself fit and stretchable, you need to do dance also. Diya, you eat now only, now you should do not sit like that. Go start walking. Yes, very good. This will make your food digest easily. Diya, why are you doing yoga? What is the purpose of this?
Didi, I am doing yoga to keep my body fit, healthy and flexible, and because if I do yoga, I am very healthy and fit and fine. And that's why I do twice in a day, morning and evening.
Diya, now I told you so many tips. Okay? Write these all tips and tell it to your teacher. Okay?
Okay, Didi.
Is this helpful for you?
Yes, of course. Why not?
Means now you understood how should be given and taken freedom for leading a healthy lifestyle?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Now I completely understood about how to lead a healthy lifestyle.
With freedom.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
you.